Hello, we're here today to talk to you about the IBC Tote Tank fitting connections that we offer. We also have an IBC Nozzle Kit. These are going to be for non-potable water applications. These are not suitable for potable water and filling buckets or anything like that. Typically going to be used for diesel exhaust fluid applications or any other application that is non-potable. This is a 2-inch female quick disconnect coupler that will attach to the 2-inch male quick disconnect valve on the bottom of the tank there. We're going to show you the female quick disconnect coupler. It's going to slide right onto the valve as well. Slide it on, clamp down on either side together at the same time. Then you can open your valve up. If you've got if the nozzle is above the liquid level of the tank, it will not come out, being as these are gravity fed. So I can show you here where it's coming out. You bring it above the liquid level here, you're no longer going to have water coming out of your valve. Then when it comes time to remove your nozzle kit, you want to make sure you turn off your valve. Otherwise, when you remove that, all your product's going to come out. When you close your valve, you can undo the clamps, pull the nozzle right off. All of the IBC Tote Tank accessories can be found on our website. You can check them out there, and they're also good for all of the totes that we offer, the cage busters, the cage totes, and the premium stackers.